you love the kid but you don't love the autism. Some people would say, oh no, autism is a blessing. Love. Minsan tinatanong ko na saan yung blessings an? Imagine all that while raising a 7-figure business at the same time.
Grabe yung pagmamahal.
Ako dun na the trending queen.
Successful ba talaga siya? Multi-millionaire ba talaga siya? Ba't ayaw niyang tumigil sa
Right.
pagtuturo?
Bakit nagtuturo pa siya? I agree with Laura's vision din. No? Hanggat may Filipino kasi talaga na nakikita kang nagsastruggle, it's so hard to just shut up na parang tahimik ka na lang. Tapos gumagawa na ako ng mga training na freelancing and mindset. This has to be known ng mga Filipino na meron naman palang paraan to free your mind. Pwede palang mabago yung buhay mo. Just shifting the way you think.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success? Welcome to
Slam Book Millionaire! This is the podcast where we ask the millionaires the same slam book questions to uncover how their childhood and teenage years shaped their path to wealth.
Each week, we will sit down with inspiring individuals to reveal the hidden stories behind their extraordinary journeys.
We will discover how their childhood dreams became realities, how they overcame their biggest challenges, and who helped them along the way. My name is Joanna.
My name is Dev. Get ready to be inspired and learn from the slam book secrets of the self-made millionaires.
Subscribe now, and together, let's unlock the secrets to success.
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire, Episode 5! Ayan! So, Jevely, are you excited for today's episode?
Oh yes, finally, makikitsikihan natin sila at malalaman nila at makikilala nila ng lubusan ang ating guest for today.
Yes, I'm so excited for this person actually because, sige, little introduction na, no? Diretso na tayo na introduction about this person.
Paano mo siya nakilala, yung guest natin?
Ano, truth be told, I didn't know na client natin siya at first. And then, pero naging Facebook friends kami. And then during the pandemic, lagi sila nagkakaroon ng mga recollections of the Loros events that they attended. And she and another friend, yung si Silesh, manisya na lang natin sila, they would always tag me in the comments. And then she would also post, and then nakatag din si Loros, nakatag ako. So, sagot naman ako ng sagot. And then dun ko nalaman na, they attended the Millionaire Mind Intensive pala. They went to the Quantum Leap program. So, yung chikahan namin, lagi nasa comment section, hanggang nalipat na kami sa Facebook Messenger. Now, it
naging
becomes,
GC, personal
naging more personal na yung chikahan, yung conversation, and then we were already sharing with each other, paano kami nagsimula sa journeys, hanggang nagkakakwentuhan na about marriage and personal lives and friendships and other things. So, nakaka-amaze lang kasi this person, sabi mo nga, diba, she's one of the most notable woman in the e-commerce industry, if not the one talaga na parang queen.
Yes.
Kasi she has founded Off Community, the online freelancers na community which has about 300 yata, if I'm not mistaken, 300,000 or more. 300,000 members right now. And then she is also a coach. She has already helped a lot of people in the e-commerce industry. And she's actually very active in social media to motivate other people, especially mga nasa freelancing industry.
Yes. Actually, nakaka-amaze itong ating guest. Kasi during MMI, one of the crew members told me, alam mo ba, nandito yung mga queen of e-commerce. Really? Sino sila? Sino sila? And na-amaze ako. Just imagine, they are in this high status already, and yet they're very open to learn more and grow more. Diba? Improve
Grabe
themselves.
yung student of life.
Student of life. So, yun yung parang something na kailangan malaman na matutunan ng tao na even if you are there already. Because we have clients already, they are billionaires and millionaires. And yet they are attending our programs. Diba?
More than that, yung pagiging nila, millionaire, parang student of life na attitude nila, they kept their feet on the ground.
Exactly.
I think yun yung isa sa pinaka magagandang aspeto ng meron tayo dito sa mga guests natin dito sa Slam Book Million. And this woman here, she's one of that. She's a
Yes.
testament of that na kahit
Just very down to earth.
gaano pa kalayo at kalaki yung income na meron ka on a daily basis hindi monthly basis. Guys, actually hindi nga daily eh.
Hashtag sana.
Baka
all.
hourly nga to eh. Baka hourly, no? So, without further ado, I think it's time for us to call her
I'm
in.
so excited.
Yes. So, to all our friends, excited na ba kayo? Let's call her in. Let's welcome Miss CJ Cajoles.
Hello! Yay!
Welcome.
Usually lalakad, di ba? Thank you, guys. Ayan, thank you sa Slam Book Millionaire. Wow, first time na na ganyan. Ang cute nung name nila. Congratulations agad in advance.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, sis, for allowing us na maging part ka ng aming season
despite
1.
Despite of our busy schedule.
Ay,
Grabe.
eto, saka hindi lang busy schedule, girl. Hindi lumalabas ng bahay to.
Opo, namimili po talaga tayo ng hindi man pagiging choosy, pero talagang, syempre, kung sino lang yung... pero promise, on record, when they say, when they invite, talagang walang, mahabang paliwanagan,
Oo,
di ba?
agad.
Yes, agad.
Oo.
Pag silang dalawa.
Salamat for giving us that privilege, sis. We're so happy to have you here. And we're so excited for our viewers and listeners na rin. No? So, let's start.
Okay.
Agahin na kagad natin yung tanong.
Kinakabahan
First,
ako.
with the title itself,
Oo,
Slam
yes,
Book.
Slam
You know the
Book.
idea
Yeah.
na puro
Mm.
chikahan to, chismisan.
True,
Yes.
So are you ready for the first
I hope
question?
so.
Agahin na kagad natin. Who is your first love? Agad.
Ano ba, mala grade 4 ba ang sagutan natin?
Hindi, pero ito, who is your first love, sis? Kasi di ba nasa e-commerce ka, tapos very invested ka rin sa self-mastery mo. So when you decided to invest in yourself, to learn more from other people, who was that first person na nakapagpa-inspire sa'yo, na sabi mo, love ko tong tao na to, gusto ko yung ginagawa niya. Meron bang ganun?
Si Bob Proctor. Pwede na ba yung sagot?
Yes!
Pasok ba yun?
We all
Pasok
love
na
him.
pasok.
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, siya talaga. Parang nakakita ako yung pumutok yung The Secret that
Yes.
time, yung naging popularized siya. So, nagulat ako na meron palang mga ganong how do you say this? Personal development. Kasi wala siya masyado sa Philippines back then.
So yun yung nag-open
yun
sa'yo
talaga
naman.
siya talaga yung nag-open. 2014?
So this was 2014.
Mga
Okay.
ganyan,
Yes.
2012, 2014. Tapos I was, doon talaga ako sobrang na-hook. And then I was searching and learning sa YouTube pa lang noon. Kasi hindi ko pa kilala yung Lorus that time. So talagang on my own. Tapos gumagawa na ako ng mga training na freelancing and mindset. I was trying to connect the two industries kahit na wala akong credentials, wala akong kahit na ano. Pero parang sabi ko, this has to be known ng mga ibang mga freelancers and then let alone ng mga Filipino na meron naman palang paraan to free your mind. So I was obsessed dun sa idea na pwede palang mabago yung buhay mo just shifting the way you think. Meron palang ganun na hindi mo kailangan mag-hustle, hard work na malaki pala yung epekto ng mind. So doon na nag-start and then I learned about MMI, I learned about Harv Eker, ayun, so nagtuloy-tuloy na siya talaga.
So you were already in the freelancing, you were already coaching a
freelancer,
lot of
yes,
people
yes.
at that time.
Oo.
Kasi existing na si Off Community. I
Mm-mm.
see. Okay. Ang ganda nun, no? Bob Proctor is also one of the most respected persons
True.
talaga in the
And I
self-mastery.
promised myself sana na one day makakapunta ako ng USNB in front of him, yung mga VIP
Yes.
ticket, ganyan. Unfortunately, he passed away na kasi. So,
Yes.
hindi na natin na-fulfill yung dream na yan.
So who's the next person?
Baka si Harv Eker na.
Si T.
Kasi
Harv
still
habang
alive.
tayo.
So, possible pa yan.
Ayan,
Possible.
Si T. Harv, ayan. And then, yun nga, palagi naman natin itong sinasabi, forever grateful sa. Kaya, the reason why I always say yes to these people, kasi I owe them so much. Sobrang, mayak na naman tayo nito. Malaki yung utang na loob sa mga ladies na nandito ngayon na nag-spark talaga. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, walang MMI sa Philippines, walang success resources sa Philippines. So, sobrang laki nung nabago yung buhay. You might think, like sabi ni Xav kanina, di ba? May mga millionaires na talaga silang clients. And probably isa na rin ako doon. Pero,
You are! That's why! Isang book millionaire eh! Multi-millionaire
True.
nga lang yung level.
ganyan. Pero, may may kulang minsan. No?
Mm-mm.
Minsan
May
mahirap
hinahanap
talaga
ka
na may
pa.
hinahanap ka pa. And yung programs nila yung nagtatawid dun sa ikaw na-achieve mo na on your own. Tapos meron pa palang booster, kumbaga, 'di ba? May booster pa na marami pa palang pwede. Kaya balik kami ng balik. Kahit 2019 pa yung first time namin sa MMI, 2024 na ngayon, 2025. And we're still there.
Nice.
Sa lahat ng programs.
Student of life talaga.
True.
Pero
Talagang
curious
totoo yan.
ako, paano nyo nalaman yung MMI? Sa ads ba?
I think sa ads.
Okay.
Na-target. Okay.
Parang na-target nga yata.
Tapos
kami.
ikaw na
Tas ang
nag-invite
daming
kay
naririnig
Lish.
ko na sa Singapore pa dati na maganda talaga yung program na to, ganyan. And then I was just looking at you from afar. Kasi honestly, itong dalawang to, parang sabi ko, wow, girl boss. Kasi syempre mga babae kaming millionaire and business owners. So when I look at Joanna and Jeff, parang sabi ko, ang galing, no? Sila yung nagfa-facilitate. Babae pala. Parang gumanon ako. Ay, babae pala yung behind dito sa ano. So, she walks like a queen, di ba? Yung damit ni Joanna talagang mapapalingon ka talagang, anong tawag dito?
Fashionista.
Na she stood out.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? Tapos sabi ko, wow, ang galing siya pala yun. And then, yun na nga, sabi niya nga kanina sa intro, we started getting to know each other hanggang sa naging magkaibigan na hanggang sa darkest secrets. Alam niya.
Yes!
Sikreto na.
Speaking of the darkest
True.
secret.
Ayan na,
Wala
sinubulan
na
mo.
tayo.
Ando
Wala
na.
na. Nag-unlock ng keyword.
So, speaking of the darkest secret, anong dark food ang gusto mong kinakain?
Anong dark food?
Biglang
Biglang
food
diba,
pala,
ice cream,
no?
charcoal ice cream, mga ganyan.
Ah.
Oo.
Dinuguan siguro.
Dinuguan. Bakit
Sinabi
dinuguan?
sa mga-
I love dinuguan.
Dark food? Meron ba talaga yung term
basta-basta
na
lang
dark
siya.
food?
Gusto ko lang siya
Di ba,
talaga.
ano,
Yun
wait,
yung
see,
first thing
diba,
that comes into
yung-
my mind.
Ano yung, di ba yung yaw-yaw, meron siyang ka-counterpart. Yung sa una sa kanya, yung dark
Black,
yoga.
BLK.
Yun, oo.
143.
Yan. Dinuguan. Bakit
Oo.
dinuguan?
Hindi ko rin alam. Masarap siya. First thing that comes into my mind.
With
pag
puto.
food talaga maraming. Ay, hindi. Kahit kanin. Kanin is life ako.
Kasi
Tapos
mahilig ka
ano,
mag-post, sis, diba? Talagang
Oo.
very active ka sa social
Yes,
media.
yes.
Usually, when you post, ano ba siya? Spur of the moment lang? Or parang merong mai-spark na idea sa'yo, tapos you're just going to
Yes.
get your
Very,
phone?
very easy flowing lang siya. Walang pinag-isipan mo kagabi or parang
Yeah.
naka-social media planner. Wala akong ganun. Parang kung ano lang yung naisip kong idea, I let the flow na go lang ganun. And a lot of people kasi, and I'm intentional. It was an intentional, yung idea was a spark, but posting is intentional.
Yeah.
Does it make sense? Kasi parang yung mga followers, hinahanap ka nila na ganyan. Wala akong masyadong friends sa social media. Like, 1,000
Pero
lang
even
yata
before,
yun.
ganun ka na, sis.
I feel so. Kasi I think I have a gift sa writing.
Yes,
Kaya
you
rin
are.
ako
Yeah,
naging founder ng OFF. Kasi bago nagkaroon ng OFF, ito yung hindi alam ng karamihan, no? Meron akong isang maliit na community before ng freelancers. And palagi akong, tinawag nila ako nun na the trending queen.
The trending.
Kasi parang lahat ng post ko doon would
Nagte-trending.
inspire emotion,
Yes, yes.
action, ganyan. And then I started my own community. Parang naisip ko, may gift ka nga siguro na you inspire and provoke people. Parang
Yes,
ganon.
yes.
Ang background ko po is journalism talaga. So,
I see.
graduate ako
that's
ng Jorn.
right.
So, may degree po ako sa journalism. Mahilig ako magsulat talaga. So, maybe there's a gift there. And then, kaya hindi ako ma-TikTok.
Okay.
Mas Facebook talaga ako. Mas
Kasi
write-
long
Kasi
form.
long form talaga. Siguro
Yes.
doon ako nasanay. Kasi sa TikTok, you have to prepare pa and go on video. Which is, I'm introverted, 100, hindi
Yun
mo,
na
90%.
nga eh. May next question. Okay, so continue.
So, mahirap para sa akin yung nagve-video tas i-edit mo pa, doon ako walang syaga. Pero pag when I write, ginagawa kong journal yung
Yeah.
Facebook
Same.
wall ko. And then a lot of people would resonate to you na ganyan. And I only post like whatever I want. Parang sometimes of course you filter pa din naman kung titignan mo kung is it okay pa ba, ipapackage mo siya ng maayos. But most of the time yun na siya talaga.
Yeah.
On a daily basis, siguro nasanay lang na na
Yung
nagpo-post.
follow-up question ko, sis, kasi marami palang klase ng introverts. No?
Yes.
Usually, as they explain, ang introvert is more how you recharge afterwards.
Ah.
Kasi in my case, I'm an introvert. Pero nahihiya talaga ako mag-post or
Sabi
maggumawa
ninyo
ng video.
numerologies, hindi ka daw.
Pero sa case si CJ, alam ko na introvert kasi nasabi mo talaga yun sa post mo. But you're very active online.
Mm-mm.
Oo.
You're,
Oo. How do you do that? Parang where did you get the energy
How do you recharge?
How do you
diba?
recharge? Is that how you recharge as well when you share your emotions or thoughts
Kasi
online?
hindi naman ako surrounded ng tao.
Mm.
Pagka
Oh.
nagpo-post,
Tama.
it's just me in my room, ganyan. And then I put my words and ideas out there, my emotion, myself. Pero ako, as an introvert, nadidrain ako when people are around me that hindi ko sila kilala, parang
Oo.
stranger sila. But these two, kahit hanggang bukas tayo, okay lang ako. Kasi ganun yung introverts po. Parang when you're surrounded with like-minded people, hindi sila nadidrain.
At saka you're
And
very
usually,
comfortable na.
Pag if you have found your circle of trust, I call it circle of trust eh.
Yes.
True.
Yun na yung pinakamaingay.
Oo,
yung mga
totoo.
introvert.
When
Kasi
we
you're
were,
Diyos ko.
totoo.
Ayoko na lang po
Napakaingay
mag-talk.
tayo. Parang pag sinasabi niya, introvert ka ba talaga? Oo, introvert ako. But
same,
I'm with
same.
them. Parang I'm with my comfort zone.
Correct.
Sila yung comfort zone ko.
Yes.
When we flew to Singapore ni Lish, sabi niya, matulog ka na. Sabi niya sa akin kasi inaalala niya ako. Pero the whole time, nag-uusap kami. So sabi niya, ang daldal mo pala. Kasi comfort zone. Pero pag hindi ko siya kilala, nag-way muna ako, tahimik
Yes.
muna, di ba, ganyan.
Sa simula, yung nag-observe
Sa simula,
lang. O,
yes,
diba?
yes.
Gets
Ayan.
namin
Katulad yan, observer na lang po
Yeah.
ako sa kanila.
Introvert.
Ganito po ang mundo ko, no? Lagi po akong paligid ng mga introverts. Tapos, kapag nag-umpisa na kami, wala na. Taga-smile.
Taga,
Oo. Taga-butt in. Ganyan. Yan na lang.
Kasi
Kaya,
pag kumonect siya sa'yo, yun na
Yes.
totoo.
yun.
Ako
That's the
kasi
energy.
talaga lahat ng circles that I have, ang pinaka-common, halos lahat talaga, lagi ako yung extroverted,
Oo.
no?
Yeah.
Ikaw
Lagi.
talaga yung
I
gumaganon
think
sa...
kasi mas marami talaga yung introverts. I believe so.
Yes.
Especially for Filipinos. Mas maraming introverts than the extro. Hindi din ba?
Hindi.
Wala, tanong
Pa,
natin
ano
si
nga nung
ChatGPT.
comment
Iba yung ano,
statistics.
tanong natin kay ChatGPT.
AI natin. Gamitin natin
Hindi
AI.
nagkakataon lang. Tapos kahit, halimbawa, yung mga friends natin, sina Clara, sina Ot, sina Darwin, lahat yan sobrang
Mga
introverted. Pero pag
Majority lagi. Majority.
magkakasama
Pero when
kami,
we're together, grabe.
super ingay,
Oo.
super
Yes.
kwentuhan lang talaga.
Totoo
So,
yan.
ikaw sis, I have another question for you. Sino yung current crush mo right now sa personal development journey mo? Sino yung isang tao na ina-admire mo na parang, I wanna be
really-
this person.
yeah, you
Di ba
really
sabi
look
nga
up
nila,
to-
how to be you po. Parang
Parang
ganyan.
babae
Meron
or
kang
lalaki,
ganyan.
may
Babae or
preference
lalaki?
Mm.
Kasi on the context naman na hinahangaan mo dahil meron siya sa buhay niya o meron siya sa personality niya, nakahanga-hanga naman talaga.
I think Alex Hermosi.
Ah.
My mind. Kasi
Kasi
hindi siya
ako.
hindi siya pumapayat eh. Ang
Oo
galing.
nga,
galing.
ang ganda ng
Hindi,
katawan.
Na-build niya na yung habit niya na
Yes.
ganyan. And sa local, meron ako maisip sa local.
Sino?
Pwede mo magpangalan ko, mapapanood nila to for sure. Hindi, mga kaibigan
Papanoorin
natin to.
natin sa kanya kung sino man.
Crush, no? Crush. Yun, sobrang hinahangaan mo na how to be you po. Siguro sa local, yung mga kapatid natin, Sholim and Otzi Jimenez.
Ay,
Yes,
Talaga.
of course. Oo.
Ayan.
Ang gagaling naman talaga
Yung,
yan.
yan talaga yung how to be you po na they really practice kasi what they talk about, what they message.
Full
They walk-
integrity.
Sobrang
They
galing
walk the
talaga.
talk and
And
they're
of
very
course, these
consistent.
people, no, pwede bang mag-trade ng and Clara. Marami tayong crush.
Marami
Ayan,
si
si Clara Day, yan, girl crush natin yan.
Yes.
Magaganda talaga na, maganda na.
Diyosa.
Perfect, di ba? Ito yung mga nasa harap niyo po, mga perfect.
Ikaw.
Ayan.
Diba? Goddess. Another question for you, sis. Kasi hanggang ngayon ba, hindi ka pa rin morning person?
Hindi pa din.
Kasi
Pinilit
ganun,
natin.
even dahil nag-start siya sa work na panggabi, parang ganun ba
Oo,
yun?
hindi ko
Nag-start
rin
siya?
alam. Sabi kasi nila pag creative mind ka daw, usually talagang tinanong ko pa kay Robert Riopel, diba?
Oo,
Yun yung
oo.
one of my questions. Ayun. So, hindi pa rin po ako morning person. Tinanggap ko na na maggagawa tayo ng the 10 a.m. club.
I think meron nga tayong naging conversation before na pareho na tayong in-accept na lang natin yung reality. Although ako kasi medyo ngayon, I'm trying.
Mm-mm.
I'm really trying. Kasi nga galing kami ng isang training din sa Bali ni Jeff. So may
Oo.
mga tinuro doon. At sunod-sunod din talaga yung mga morning activities dun sa mga inatenan ko. Kaya parang sabi ko, sige na nga, baka ito na yung universe is telling me to change. Pero ikaw sis, so since hindi ka morning person, how do you do yung morning intentions
Morning
mo?
routine. Siguro ayun, kasi marami ding nagtatanong talaga sa kanya na paano mo i-adjust. Siguro number one kasing nakaka-apekto sa kanyang lifestyle kasi I have an autism child.
Yeah, yeah.
So he's very hyper.
Yes.
So kung meron kayong mga autism na children, you would relate to this na minsan gusto mo na talagang matulog pero siya alas 3 na ng madaling araw gising pa siya. So we had to really adjust according to his life, according to his lifestyle. And most of the time, Madaling araw talaga siya gising. But now, nandiyan na si mother ko to help us para ma-adjust yung ano. But I love morning din talaga po. Parang halimbawa, pag alas 6 na nakita ko yung sun, parang nakaka-energize.
Wait,
na.
alas 6 na, patulog ka.
Patulog pala.
Kinaklaro lang natin. Patulog pa lang.
Oo, ayan. And tapos minsan, halimbawa po, yung mga freelancers, when you get US clients, syempre,
Panggabi.
baligtad talaga yung tulog namin. Tsaka mas nakakapag-isip ako sa gabi. Kasi tahimik, ganyan, walang ibang tao. Pero masarap din talaga yung iba yung nature ng ng 7 a.m., 8 a.m. So,
Especially ngayon na nandoon na kayo sa bagong bahay,
Oo, nasa Antipolo.
paligid ka na ng, mas marami na yung nature feels talaga.
Totoo, may mga puno na. So ngayon, ako, kahit nasaan mo ako ilagay, masaya ako. Kasi kaya ko mag-adjust sa umaga, kaya ko mag-adjust sa madaling araw.
Siguro, yan, nag-start yan sa study habits.
Oo, meron
Kasi ako,
din.
mas nakakaaral ako ng madaling araw.
Mm-mm.
Natutulog ako ng maaga sa gabi kasi gising ako ng madaling araw.
Oo.
Maybe sa part mo, mas active yung brain mo sa
Yes,
gabi talaga
yes.
nakapag-aral
Tsaka
ka.
pag hawak mo yung oras mo, like hindi ka naman kailangan gumising ng 9 a.m.,
Yes.
why would you? Parang
True,
ganun.
true.
Di
Gusto
matulog
ko,
ka
why would you
hanggang,
na may
diba?
tawa?
Matulog ka hanggang hapon kung gusto mo. Then you start your day. Tapos, yun nga, hitinanong ko na din yung mga mentors. Like si Robert Riopel, I really asked him this. What do you say about 5 a.m.? Sabi niya, it's not true for everyone.
Yes.
Kasi wag mo ipilit kung talagang hindi mo
True.
kaya. Lalo na when you travel, di ba? When you're a coach, like him, traveling all around the world, yung 5 a.m. doon, mag-a-adjust pa lang. So, you
Correct.
start your day. For example, nagising ka ng 3 p.m., that's your 7 a.m.
Yes.
And then you move along the way. Kasi pag pinilit mo siya, nasa-stress ka lang eh. So,
Correct.
True. At the end
Whatever
of the
works
day,
for you,
yes.
diba?
and the
You do
productivity
you.
is kung anong oras ka nagising, dun ka productive. Kesa gumising ka nga ng 4 a.m. It's just for myself. I'm just talking
Yes.
about myself. Gumising ka nga ng 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Wala ka rin namang ginawa. Diba?
True.
Di, natulog ka na lang sana. Diba?
Exactly.
Just for the sake of, hindi dapat daw 5 a.m. So, it doesn't really work for
Yes.
everyone.
Correct.
Kung anong oras ka nagising, you start your day, you be productive kahit 1 hour, 2 hours. Then, dun ka mag-gym, dun ka mag-meditate on that
true.
day.
This is
on that
actually a very
hour.
this is a wonderful lesson. Or I'm picking what I'm picking from this conversation is that for all the viewers and the listeners, then I love this conversation kasi yun na nga, the tendency of other people is that kasi sinabi ni coach, yung friend ko ginagawa
May
niya,
libro pa.
nabasa ko, napanood ko sa YouTube or ganito. They tend to do it just because
Yes.
sinabi ng ibang tao.
Sure.
So nawawala yung equation na does it fit my lifestyle, number one? Kakayanin ko ba talaga? Kasi at the end of the day, it's so easy to start. Diba? Halimbawa kami ng 1 week kami. Now, 5:30 talaga, 5 o'clock, gising na dahil nga 6:30 a.m. yung start ng session namin doon. So, if it's not something that's coming from within me,
Yes.
from my core, na nafe-feel ko na I really wanna do it, babalik lang din ako sa Pilipinas and then I'll just going to go back to kung ano ako before.
At sinubukan ko rin naman so many times. Up until
Yes.
now, I really tried it na kasi productive daw, ganyan. And also, I miss my routine din. Namimiss ko rin yung mga ibang tao na 9 a.m. nasa office sila, 5 p.m. uwi na sila, tapos ganyan. So, minsan, naiinggit pa rin ako sa
Gusto
ganong
mo ba?
tao.
Pasok ka sa Lorus.
Pero parang ang hirap talaga. Okay lang ba pumasok sa Lorus ng 3 p.m.
Lorus team, wag kayo
May
magugulat
special.
biglang may kakatok. Nandiyan dito si CJ, makikitrabaho lang.
Pero pag gabi, ikaw na lang
Ako
mag-isa.
na lang mag-isa doon. Ano pa sa kuryente ng Lorus yun.
Yes.
May aircon ka pa doon.
Currently, sis, ano yung mantra that you are trying to live by ngayon?
Mantra, siguro you don't need to understand the whole building or yung one staircase at a time lang.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Mm-mm.
Siguro yun yung pinanghahawakan ko for many years already. Na you don't need to understand the entire staircase or get to see the entire staircase. Yung step 1 lang kasi sometimes it's so overwhelming.
Correct.
Tapos yung staircase level 1 pa lang pala yun, mas mataas pa pala. So
Mm-mm.
sometimes you get to be fearful kapag nakikita mo ang shocks ang haba pa. So dito lang talaga muna step 1.
Yeah. It's actually very nice when you said that. Kasi usually, na-overwhelm ang tao. Mas nauuna. The problem kasi you always compare your performance or yourself with other people na parang, ba't ang bilis nila?
Ayun nga,
Parang-
comparing
parang,
your
oo.
level, comparing your level 1 to
Correct.
somebody's level
True,
10.
true.
But actually, what is more important is you progress.
Right.
One step at a time. That's why ako naman, my mantra kasi every day in every way I get better and better. That's more
Right.
important.
Si
diba?
ano to,
Emil Cui.
Hindi.
Dun sa
Silva
Silva.
Mastermind.
Pero
Yeah.
originally from Emil Cui. So,
Yes.
that's actually very nice yung sinabi mo.
Oo,
Yes.
dito ka muna, step. Tsaka totoo yung, hindi talaga maiwasan yung comparison lalo na nasa social media tayo. I get to that rabbit hole too, lalo na kapag ka mga lalaki yung nakikita kong talagang magagaling sila. Kasi when you are already a mom, a parent, let alone may autism kid ako, sometimes I slow down na parang nagugulat ako, ba't ang bilis niya? Totoo yan talaga. So, sa mga
Yes.
nanonood na, if you judge yourself na kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba, siguro it happens. Kasi notorious talaga yung social media sa comparison.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yun lang, siguro kung may masasabi ako na minsan fake din naman pala talaga yung iba na when you get to know this person, minsan naaminin nila sa'yo na, hindi, ano lang yan ate, hype lang yan.
Para lang
Yeah.
masama, may ma-post lang,
Yeah.
ganyan.
Kasi kami surrounded kami with a lot of influencers and successful people. But when you get to know them, yung iba, talagang straight sasabihin nila sa akin, ano lang yan ate, hindi yan totoo.
Talaga?
Parang sabihin ko, ganun pala na,
Aww.
parang I wasted 5 seconds of my life comparing to
Parang
you.
nakakasad
Ganyan.
naman yun, living your life based on how people wants to perceive
Oo, kasi
you.
parang siguro they're staging the way na may program na ilalabas or may business na
I
ilalabas.
see, I
ganyan. So,
see.
not everyone
Parang
is really
baka
real.
marketing
right
purposes.
there. Marketing purposes, ganyan. That can happen. Hindi ko nila lahat. Meron lang mga
Yes.
ilan.
Yeah.
But there are real din naman talaga that we
true.
look up to na, totoo talaga sila. So,
Yes.
you gotta discern kung sino yung genuine and not. It's just so hard, but focus ka lang din talaga sa sarili mo.
Exactly.
Alam mo, meron ako, isundot ko lang dun sa sinabi na you gotta discern. Yun na nga, because hindi na natin alam talaga kung ano yung totoo.
Sa social media, yes.
Sa totoo, sa hindi totoo. Ako ang naging ko dyan, ang naging decision ko in terms of, because nga kami, di ba, lagi kami nakakaharap ng mga iba't ibang mga klase ng speakers. And sometimes may mga speakers na nami-meet ko in person na medyo parang, hindi pala siya 100% integrity. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman pala talaga siya 100%. Ganon din yung ginagawa. But what I learned along the way is that I learned to separate the person, parang from the speaker that he is, from kung ano yung, halimbawa, etong tao na to, I admire him for being an author or for being a speaker. Doon lang.
Hanggang dun lang.
Hinahati ko na doon. So
Right.
whatever I would learn about his personal life, kanya na yun. Balato ko na yan sa kanya. Kung ayaw niyang, hindi niya kayang maging totoo 100% based on his personal life, papatuloy ko siyang hahangaan na lang kung ano siya as a speaker, kung ano
Yeah,
siya as an
true.
author, or as a whatever it is na binibigay niyang value sa akin. So, nung natutunan ko yun, mas naging kalmada yung life ko. Kasi parang nagkaroon ako at peace na, okay, so this is how I'm going to reconcile this person in my
Right.
mind. Para pagkaharap ko siya, hindi ko siya kailangan. Kasi very transparent ako, sis. Pag inis talaga ako, or hindi ko talaga bet yung tao na kaharap ko,
Mararamdaman
hindi ako
mo.
jolly, hindi ako
Yeah.
ganun ka-jolly, hindi ako ganun kadaldal dun sa person. Pero when I learned to do that, yun, bumalik ako dun na, okay, I would continue to admire you because you are a speaker na merong
Yeah.
value na naibibigay sa akin.
Right.
I have another question because you mentioned kanina, sis, yung tungkol sa, okay lang ba?
Sure.
We talk about yung
Mhm.
yung child mo na may
Mhm.
autism, no? So since kasi you have 3 kids,
Yes,
supposedly
3 boys.
4.
Supposedly 4.
Yes, you talk about also etong baby mo na you lost along the
Mm-mm.
way, no? So, may God bless her soul, your little angel. But I want to talk about yung kay yung sa autism
Si Matthew.
kid. Kay Matthew, yeah. I'm sure maraming mga mommies right now na this is something na probably they want to learn from you. How are you managing being a mom to a kid na meron talagang very special need? Kasi lahat naman ng mga anak, kahit ako bilang anak, may special need ako from my parents. So siya, mas special need yung attention, yung kailangan ni Matthew. How do you work it out with your work, with
Juggle
your
your
business?
time.
Tapos you have other 2 kids na ngayon papalaki na rin, na nagbibinata na, so they
True.
have their own needs na rin, diba?
Naku, napakahirap. Yung mga may autism, awesome mom ang tawag nga namin, makaka-relate sila. Sobrang hirap talaga. Minsan, magbe-breakdown ka na lang kasi they have very unique needs na, like, he doesn't speak din kasi. So, he's 11 now, hindi siya nakakapagsalita. So, sometimes you judge yourself as well na, am I good enough? Parang sa dami nga ng ginagawa mo, napapabayaan mo ba siya? Okay pa ba? Enough ba yung support ko sa kanya? Ganyan. So, it's really hard. Parang wala yata akong advice dun sa, siguro, lang, live by the day lang talaga, day by day lang na.
Dumating
and
ba sa
hoping-
point in life, sis, na parang natanong mo yung sarili mo na may kasalanan ba ako? Bakit nagkaroon siya ng ganong klaseng situation?
Oo, palaging may mga ganong time na nako-question ko yung sarili ko. And even when my daughter died, napunta tayo dun sa part na yun, sometimes I question God then. When I pray po, hindi ako yung prayer warrior na sobrang mabait. Sometimes, kami, parang kaibigan ko lang si Lord pag nag-uusap kami. And
Question God.
sometimes I'm a rebellious daughter kapag Lord, sabi mo, ganito, hindi mo naman ginawa, parang ganon. So, sometimes I question myself na parang, Lord, ano bang mayroon ba akong ginawa? May pagkukulang ba? Bakit napunta sa akin? Diba? Sometimes, I know everyone who has autism kid would say that, why me? Diba? Parang, why
So,
sa akin?
at one point, or many
Many
points.
times.
I think all
Yes.
parents talagang
Lalo na kapag
natanong
pagod
din
ka na,
yan.
sabi nga nila, you love the kid, but you don't love the autism. Parang gano'n. Ako, I would say that. There was one post that resonated with me a lot. He is a blessing. Autism is not. And I can say that with bold face right now. Kasi some people would say, oh no, autism is a blessing. Love. Minsan tinatanong ko na saan yung blessing Zan. Kasi sobrang hirap eh. And yung mga autism kids, sometimes they hurt you too. Pagka yung nahihirapan sila sensory wise, ganyan. So they blessed pa nga ako kasi maayos si Matthew, but there are people na nagsasmash ng TV, talagang nagwawala, they bang their head on the wall, parang ganyan, so nagdumudugo na siya, and yung mommy, ang dami niyang sugat. Sometimes it happens to me too kasi nangangalmot sila, but they have to reach out lang kasi.
Yun yung the way to
their way to
express
express
it.
it.
Especially for Matthew.
I'm struggling, parang ganun yung sinasabi nila, but they cannot speak. Lalo na pag may sakit, yun yung pinaka-stressful siguro, yung hindi mo alam nasan yung masakit kasi hindi niya ma-communicate sa'yo eh.
So parang may para kang may baby
trial and error,
na may infant. Kasi diba ang infant
kahit
they
teen na
cannot
siya.
talk
So
pa.
mahirap talaga. Amidst naggagawa ka ng business mo, may dalawang homeschooling din po yung mga anak ko, yung dalawang boys, we believe in homeschooling. So imagine all that while raising a business, 7-figure business at the same time. Tapos kaya talaga magko-compare ka. Nakita mo naman yung buhay ko, so ma-compare mo sa iba na, uy, ang bilis nila na nakagawa na ng ganito, may office, may team, may 100 people, tapos ako work from home, may dalawang anak na nag-homeschool, may autism. So that comparison, hindi siya talaga minsan nawawala sa akin. Yeah.
And I really salute yung mga parents with kids na with special needs. Kasi yung kuya ko may na siya, son, na may autism. And nakita talaga namin yung struggles. Pero grabe yung pagmamahal. Kasi, correct me if I'm wrong, sis, wala masyadong maraming doctors who specializes in
sobrang konti.
autism.
Dito sa
Lalo na sa Mindanao. They have to travel like 2 hours para ma-visit lang yung doctor. Kaya grabe, sabi ko grabe, sobrang bilib ako.
Tsaka mahal.
Oo.
Bukod sa konti, napakamahal po ng consultation. So that's why we're also appealing sa mga government natin, senators, that pa-prioritize nyo po yung healthcare ng mga bata.
True.
Whoever's watching this, so yeah, we have an avenue to say.
Yes.
To our government, baka this is something that you might want to consider as well. Pero
It's
since
really
it is done, gagawa tayo na foundation natin.
True, yeah.
Appear na natin yan. Hingi na natin yan.
Totoo.
Father God, thank you.
Para
Thank
sa
you for our
mga
foundation.
people who cannot speak for themselves, mga autistic
Yes.
people. Yeah.
Oo. Sis, anong makeup routine mo? Meron ka?
Wala, hindi.
Kasi tinitingnan kita ngayon, syempre dahil naka-makeup, ang ganda ng
Thank you for the
lashes.
sponsor. Wala akong makeup routine kung ano lang yung nasa.
Paglalabas
Hindi
ka?
ako marunong actually.
Sige, gito. Ano yung daily routine mo? When you wake up in the morning, ano yung...
Wala tayong routine. Para pahinga ng mentor na magtuturo ng routine.
Turo
Talagang
namin sa'yo yung natutunan
diba?
namin.
Sige,
Gusto mo?
ganyan. Oo.
Pero
Maganda
when you wake
yan.
up in the morning, automatic, ano yung unang ginagawa mo?
Automatic coffee.
Coffee fight!
Coffee
Yan,
fight!
totoo, yan talaga yung coffee na ininom ko in the morning. Yun lang, morning. Tapos, I learned this from one of our mentors, Sarah, na and Cholim too, tinuturo niya rin to, sa gabi ang start ng day mo. Which means, sa gabi pa lang, alam mo na yung gagawin mo in the
Yes, the day
morning.
before.
Kasi parang hindi ka nawawala sa morning. So, sa night, meron kaming journaling na ginagawa. So, the following day, ito yung mga gagawin ko. So, sa morning, hindi na ako sabog. Kasi alam ko na sa gabi pa lang. And then, according to Sarah nga, subconsciously, napaprocess na ni mind mo yung gusto mong gawin sa gabi pa lang. Kasi sinulat mo na siya. The power
Yes.
of writing. So, that walang mintes po yan, sinusulat ko na sa gabi. Tapos sa morning, 2 to 3 tasks lang, no heavy tasks talaga. Kasi nga ang daming iniikutan, nanay ka, 'di ba? May mga bata pa, mag-homeschool ka pa, may Netflix time pa tayo, ganyan.
Oy,
So,
Netflix, anong latest na pinanood? Alam mo, minsan, tinitingnan ko na lang din yung mga friends ko sa Facebook kung ano yung mga pinopost nila. Kasi ang tagal ko, sabi ko nga kay Jeff, alam mo, girl, i-reward ko talaga yung sarili ko ng Netflix.
Ako naman mga luma na, yung The Resident yan ngayon.
Yeah,
pero
yun yung
matagal
pinapanood
So,
na
yung
mo.
more of series. Gusto mo ng
more
mga
of
series.
yeah.
Okay.
Ano sa lahat ng mga K-drama series na napanood mo,
K-drama?
ano yung tumatak sa'yo at bakit yun yung pinaka?
Maki-drama ka ba? Number
May,
1.
oo,
Okay.
maki-drama
Oo,
naman.
sa
Pero
kanya ko
hindi
nababasa yung mga Itawon, yung mga ano dati.
Ayan, magaling
Yes.
kasi sa mga business.
Yan, yung startup.
About that.
Oo.
Yung
Sa
mga
ano
related-
sa kanila? Kung merong isa,
Oo,
startup.
startup.
Bakit?
Bakit yung series na may kinalaman sa business?
Minsan wala din. Sometimes
Wala lang,
i-allow lang
pa-cute-cute
na,
lang.
parang just to escape
Cha-
from
ano,
reality.
cha-cha lang?
Ganyan.
Cha-cha
Cha-cha lang.
lang.
Cha-cha,
Ganyan.
hindi, cha-cha-cha. Ay,
Naging
ano ba?
K-drama na po kami.
Nakita ko yung post mo about, parang, okay, ang ganda nga.
Oo, basta anything goes naman. Pagka sinasabi nila trending, sige, panoorin natin bakit trending.
Oo.
Parang
So, hindi
ganun.
kayong by mood. Halimbawa, ako kasi minsan pupunta ako sa mag-scroll ako. Tapos magde-decide ako based on the mood that I
Oo,
have.
doon din.
Ganun
Tsaka meron
din.
akong, halimbawa, meron akong 5 pending na pinapanood ngayon. So, I jump from one, halimbawa, may English series, may Korean drama, depende sa sa gusto kong mangyari. Hindi yung isang go na papanoorin ko yung isang buong series. Sometimes I jump from one idea
Ay,
to another.
naalala ko, may napanood kang series, and I love that series as well, yung doctor na may autism.
Yung
Yes!
pa! So, ay, naku, nakakaiyak yun.
Ang galing no, no?
Tsaka
Di ba
sa
may English
Extraordinary
version yun?
World.
Yun yung English version yung
Si
napanood
The Good
ko.
Doctor.
Yes.
The Good Doctor. Tapos mayroon pang isa sa autism din sa Extraordinary Woo. Yan, yung mga may
Yes!
magagaling na. Okay,
Inaantay ko yung season 2 nun.
Yan,
Ganda
yun yung
nun.
Ano mo?
Ano?
Ano ang K-drama or movie of your life, sis?
The Intern.
Wait, the intern.
Kaya
si ano?
kay Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway? That's her favorite
ko siyang
movie?
pinapanood. Because it's a CEO, babae ng CEO siya. Parang gano'n na, nakaka-relate ako in a way na minsan, sobrang workaholic siya na napabayaan niya na at some point yung
Personal
husband niya,
life.
Personal life,
yung
yes.
anak niya, ganyan. So, dumarating ako sa ganung point na I feel like, oh my God, 12 hours ka nang nagtatrabaho. Tapos, kasi nga wala nga po akong routine, hindi kagaya nila ng ibang tao na pag 9 to 5, you stop at 5. Sometimes I envy those people na alas 5 na, tama na, tapos na, close na yung laptop, alas 5 na, then life. Pag entrepreneur ka po, kasi walang ganun, parang minsan kahit sa gabi, yung utak mo wala siya talagang turn off minsan.
May question ako, follow up niyan. Do you also feel guilty? Kasi ako, guilty talaga ako. We're entrepreneurs, we're busy. Grabe yung schedule natin. Yung bang sinasabi nila, yung kapag babae, dapat magaling ka magluto. Dapat,
Magaling ako magluto.
Domestic.
Ayoko lang.
kailangan domesticated ka na. Anong masasabi mo about it?
Naku,
Ano ba yan? Domestic goddess.
domestic goddess,
Pwede.
yes. Ako marunong ako magluto pag may YouTube na sinusundan.
Same.
Pero hindi ko siya gustong gawin. Parang ganun. And before, I used to question myself na parang hindi ka domesticated kasi in our culture dapat marunong maglaba ka, maglinis ka ng bahay, magplansya ka, mag-assist ka, magpaligo ka ng mga anak mo. Siguro, magandang ehemplo talaga yung mga personal development na nakukuha po namin. It's because if you compute your hourly rate, kumpara sa kumuha ka ng kasambahay, mas marami ka kasing magagawa talaga.
Correct.
So yun, yun na yung reality na in-embrace ko. Kasi pagka, yes, we can do that. Kaya mo magplansya, kaya mo namang, ihuhulog mo lang naman sa washing machine yung
True.
Pero iba pa rin kasi yung, ikaw yung CEO ng company, you get more money na mas papasok. And then you delegate, that's part of the delegation.
Exactly.
The value of your time.
Yes, the value of your time. Na, halimbawa, isang oras ka nang nagluluto, nagpaplansya, if you give it to somebody else and then you close a deal worth, let's say, 20,000 pesos, 30,000 pesos, would you trade that? Absolutely, no-brainer. So, yun talaga. Kaya ngayon, pag sinasabi nila na, hindi ka ganito domesticated, iba na talaga yung mundo ngayon eh.
Iba na
you take your truth, di ba? Bahala ka kung anong gusto
And
mo.
ang malaking role dyan, the husband.
Yes, exactly.
I'm just blessed. I'm blessed na to have a very supportive husband.
Na magaling magluto.
Si Dave din, si husband mas magaling. Mas magaling silang magluto din. Si Dave din, mas marunong siyang magluto sa akin.
Yes. Kasi pwede naman nilang sabihin na ganito. Pero, wala lang. I'm just blessed na masyado silang supportive, loving.
Hello po to our husband,
Yeah.
the Husband's Club.
The husband's club.
Congratulations.
The Husband Kitchen's Club.
Thank you pala. Thank you.
Dapat pala may Kitchen's Club na
True,
sila.
true.
If there's one
Next
household,
time na magano.
oo, if there's one household chore na yung hindi ka pipilitin na gawin,
magluto.
ano yun?
Mas gusto
Magluto
ko
talaga.
Oh,
Okay.
Basta may sinusundan na na
ano yung kahit na wala sinusundan, yung kaya mo na siyang lutuin from scratch.
hotdog.
No-brainer.
Scrambled egg.
Pero pag chicken nuggets.
Chicken nugget.
Anong luto ng hotdog? Wait lang. Wag po tayong judgmental,
Ay,
no?
ay,
Wait.
no.
Ayoko maging
Ikaw
judgmental.
nag-iisip
Baka
yan.
yung hotdog kare-kare naman pala to, hindi ba? Paano yung luto ng hotdog?
Prito. Hindi, adobo yan. Para sa serious, ayan, mga adobo, ganyan, kaya naman. Wag lang mapagpapalit yung toyo at vinegar na yung spoon niya. Mga ganyan. Pero
Oo,
kaya-
so otherwise,
kaya
mas
magluto.
maasim kesa sa mas maalat siya.
Even my husband would say, masarap ka naman talaga magluto. Marunong naman, may lasa naman. I just don't do it. Parang, kasi yung effort na magpe-prepare pa.
Yes.
Parang minsan, mas gusto mo lang magpahinga.
Yes.
True.
Kasi nandito yung laban natin mas operational yung utak po namin.
Yes. Alam mo
More
yung
than
husband
those
ko,
things.
lagi niya si hi honey.
Naisingit yun, naisingit.
Alam mo siya yung lagi nagre-remind sa akin. Kasi pag nasa bahay ako, diba? Minsan, pag nakita ko yung house, wala kasi kaming maid. Kasi condo lang naman kami nakatira, maliit lang. Tapos pag nakakita ako ng kalat, kasi ayoko talaga ng kalat. Ayoko ng kalat. Pag nakita talaga ako ng kalat, hindi ko maiwasan na hindi ako tatayo at maglilinis. It would be my husband talaga would remind me na, hindi magpahinga ka nga. Pumirme ka.
Umupo ka
Matulog
dyan.
ka lang. Pwede ka humiga sa kama. Ganun talaga. Kasi yun
Meron
na.
akong funny story. Kasi galing tayo dun sa training. Alam mo yung year na to, sunod-sunod, diba? Yung pag-uwi ko ng bahay, parang syempre, as a wife, as a babae sa bahay, minsan automatic. Tapos, gusto ko lang naman magpahinga. Sabi niya, hindi magpahinga ka. Hindi ko mo pinipilit. Kasi talaga umiyak na tawa na lang ako kinabukas. Bakit ko ba ginawa yun?
Sige, go
Mahirap
ahead.
kasi din na magpahinga ng may raming kalat talaga. I agree with
Mm-mm.
that, na hindi ka rin mapakali hanggat walang... Minsan nga pag kunwari may dinaanan ako na rapper lang naman, dadaanan ko rapper. Okay, dead ma. Ayun naman, rapper, pulutin na nga kita. Para mamaya wala nang maisip. Ganun.
Alam mo, sobrang konti ng 45 minutes. So, na ba tayo?
Parang kailangan ng part 2 ito.
Kailangan yata natin ng part 2. Lahat na nakausap natin, kailangan ng part 2. Siguro ako, ang last question from me, hindi ko lang alam si Jeff kung meron ba siya. Ako, last question, I wanna know what 2025 looks like for you, sis. Kasi, the usual question is, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, how do you see yourself? Anong vision mo? Ako gusto ko super lapit. Like,
Kalmahan natin next year.
Yeah, 3 weeks away na. 3 weeks away, 3 weeks na lang, 2025 na. Kami, nag-strategic planning na kami for Lorus kasi talaga nakalinya na ngayon yung 2020. One thing na binago namin sa buhay namin, ayaw na namin maging impromptu, spur of the moment kasi yung mga team namin na wiwindang.
Sila na yung nagreklamo.
Oo, as in, dami. So, ikaw sis, how does 2025 looks like for CJ Cajols?
Ayan, masasagot ko yan. Kasi very short term lang din akong magplano. Wala akong 5 years kasi nagbabago. Na-embrace ko po yan kasi visionary ako. When you take visionary or executioner test, dun, actually, very, very recent ko lang siya na-embrace kasi nagtataka ako parang, Lord, bakit itong idea, I jump from one idea to another. Parang kung mapapansin nyo, ang dami kong iniikutan, e-com, freelancing, kung saan-saan. Yun pala, kasi in my mind, kapag na-complete ko na yung isang bagay, I jump from another kasi visionary ka. Parang ganun. You jump from one idea to another. So, feeling mo, pag tapos na yung task mo na to,
next
ano pa bang next task? Anong gagawin kong susunod? Kaya when people ask me, what's 5 years from now? Napakarami niyan. Maraming mangyayari sa 5 years because I am a visionary. So, pag 1 year yan, kaya nating magstay from one idea na 1 year. Siguro sa akin, yung tech, yung ginagawa ko ngayon.
Yeah, so nakikita ko nag-AI ka.
Yes, more on AI kasi that's the thing na in the future. And it's currently happening. So, I'm obsessed with AI, automation, ganyan, and still Facebook ads. I will still continue to teach sa mga Filipinos din. Ayun, and still Copify. Yung pa rin, walang mga masyadong magbabago.
Kumbaga parang ano ka na ngayon, you are already, siguro nandun ka na sa era right now na nasa mastery ka na,
Execution
no?
na talaga.
Execution. Hindi na-execute mo ka na kasi siya eh.
Mm-mm.
So right now, parang tweaking na lang what's
Tweaking,
already
yes.
working and then
Right.
adding some more to make it work pa.
Mm-mm.
Pero hindi ka na yung babalik para ulitin yung mga bagay na ginawa mo na before.
Nasimulan na sila, so konting adjustment na lang. Same things pa rin.
Mm-mm.
More on yun nga, automation ng business, pagtuturo pa rin ng mga bagong trend sa mga freelancers. Kasi katulad ng sinasabi ko sa mga estudyante ko, kung tayo, kaya naman na natin, parang you're all set na, pwede ka namang manahimik na lang sa isang tabi. I always say that. Siguro, nandun yung passion talaga to teach other people.
Yeah.
Na halimbawa, ako, for example, I always say this to them, okay na ako eh, parang let's say, for example, you're earning this much this year. I could shut up na. Parang pwede namang private na lang, di ba?
Right.
However, a lot of people would say, Coach, paano ba ito gawin? Or ganyan. Tapos pag makita ko nag-struggle yung isali ka nga dito, turuan na nga kita. So, ang gagawin natin, parang naka one-to-many type of teaching na. Kasi for as long as I agree with Laura's vision din, no, hanggat may Filipino kasi talaga na nakikita kang nagsustruggle, it's so hard to just shut up na parang tahimik ka na lang na
Yes.
we can be set for life, you know. She has a business, they're amazing entrepreneurs and business owners. We can just go on with our lives na bahala kayo dyan, basta ako kumikita ako ng pera. But sometimes when you see other people struggling na, I can help you in this area, diba? I can
Yes.
help you in this whatever department of your life I can put value in. We will continue to teach kahit wala nang bayad. You know, this one, we're not paid to do this.
Yes.
We're here for the advocacy. We just want you to hear the message that there are people like these two amazing ladies who can help you and teach you whatever you like in
And
life.
thank you for your
Yeah.
generosity. Ito yung sinasabi natin sa space natin, sa self-mastery space natin na why do people, they continue to, kasi di ba may mga questions na bigla tuloy another topic, no? Di ba may mga
Extend 30
nag-e-emerge,
minutes.
may mga nag-e-emerge kasi na parang, successful ba talaga siya? Multi-millionaire ba talaga siya? Ba't ayaw niyang tumigil sa
Right.
pagtuturo?
Bakit nagtuturo pa siya?
Magtuturo pa talaga kung may pera naman pala siya. Bakit nagpapakahirap pa rin?
Mm.
Ito po yung reason nun, guys. For all the people, actually, ang dami na naming na-meet ni Jev, international icons, mga speakers and trainers. Dito sa
Right.
local natin, sa Philippines, sobrang madaming mga magagaling na mga speakers and trainers talaga. And that we know personally na talagang they're already set for life. Na if they decide, just like you, if you decide to stop right now,
Pwede.
nothing would change.
Yes.
Kaya mong isustain yung lifestyle mo at yung lifestyle ng family and the loved ones mo. But they're already coming from the space kasi that they already wanna give. Ito yung dumating sila doon sa sinasabi ni Gary Vaynerchuk na you have to be selfish so that you can be selfless. Right? So, kasi ito na yung time for them to give back.
Yes.
Ito yung ginawa ko, ito yung natutunan ko. So, other people na naka-look up sa akin, ito na rin yung opportunity na babigay ko sa kanila to. Sinusuportahan kanila sa mga businesses mo, bumibili sila ng mga products, diba? So, it's time for you na ibigay na rin sa kanila.
Right.
Yes. Ayan. Alright. Sobrang dami po namin
May
na
follow-up question sana, kaso wala na tayong
Wala, sabi ni
oras.
Direk, daw, cut na. Pero maraming salamat,
Thank you so
CJ.
much.
Thank you so much, Slambok Millionaire.
Yes.
Joanna and Jeff.
Sobrang pagmamahal para sa iyo, sis.
Yeah. We hope that you are able to enjoy the conversation with us. Honestly, alam mo yung around 45 to 50 minutes ng conversation na, ang dami ko natutunan.
Kulang dalawang Ito lang yung word of it.
Ang dami nating natutunan.
Ang
Ang
dami ko
dami rin
natutunan.
nating na-discover pa ulit.
Yeah.
Alam mo, it's true talaga, no? Kapag mga ganitong klaseng conversation, ang maganda kasi dito, kahit na matagal mo nang nakakausap at nakakasama yung isang tao, meron ka pa rin talagang it's an endless discovery, process of discovery and rediscovery.
Yeah.
And thank you for allowing us to discover you.
Thank you for allowing me to be here.
Yes.
Thank you for your time,
Yes.
actually.
Anytime for this too. Well, hindi pa natatapos yung sentence, yes agad.
Salamat, CJ. And to you, our dear viewers, our dear listeners, maraming salamat po for spending some of your time with us. We appreciate you. Alam naman po namin, super busy kayo. Pero dahil sa guest
Thank
po
you for
natin,
listening.
talagang huminto muna kayo for about an hour, no? So that's why we are sending you all our love, all our gratitude, and we hope our light reaches you, your home, and the people that you love. And of course, before tayo mag-end, we just want to acknowledge
Oh, yes.
our sponsor. Unang-una na po
Yes.
for this
Can I get
beautiful
this one?
Airbnb venue natin. Pillow Bed. Pillow Beds PH.
Master Clara, thank you so
Yes,
much.
Master Clara de Herrera, maraming salamat po na pinagamit mo po sa amin tong napakaganda
Ang
mong
ganda,
condo.
Ang ganda. Very cozy.
Yes.
Very homey.
Book here, ah.
Yeah. In the middle of the city lang po ito. So, you're just like
Eastwood.
2 to 3 minutes away na sa Eastwood Mall ka na, paligid ka na po ng lahat ng mga masasarap na mga restaurants. Gusto mo mag-shopping till you drop, everything is here. Pillow Beds PH. You can contact them on their Facebook page. You can see below this message. Also, of course, Pillow Bread PH.
This is a bulletproof coffee drink.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
healthy coffee. Ayan.
Ito po talaga, this is my go-to coffee right now.
Binubuksan ko talaga. May paano
Yes.
kay Clara? Buksan ko.
Oo, as in hindi po niya masisira. If you are into fasting, hindi po niya masisira yung fasting
you are in
mo.
a
If you are
special
keto
diet,
yan, hindi po niya masisira yung keto diet mo. Because this coffee drink here, it is actually designed to support you in your health journey, in your healthy journey. Sabi nga ni Master Clara, self-care, do it for you, loves. Tama ba, Clara? I-correct mo na lang ako kung mali. I'm so sorry agad-agad. Pero salamat po for this
Thank
coffee.
you.
And of course,
Thank you.
thank you so much, CJ. And Coffeefy as well. Ayan, sa mga tao talaga na 3-in-1 persons. Hindi pala. This is 20. 20-in-1 coffee.
Hindi tayo 3-in-1,
20-in-1. Lalagyan mo na lang
CJ.
Generous.
Lalagyan mo na lang ng
Generous
tubig at kayang-kaya mo nang bumalik agad sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo.
And special thanks to our HMUA, Lance. Anong company yan?
Lance Hair and Makeup Services.
So if you like our look, yan,
Yeah.
please contact
Yes.
Lance.
And he's been as our trusted makeup artist.
Yes, ever
I've worked
since.
with him during the pandemic. Even until now, siya pa rin po talaga yung go-to person namin.
At
And,
hindi tumatanda. O, tingnan nyo naman.
and of course, to Co-Create team, thank you so much.
Yan! Hooray to you guys. And of course, CJ, they know already, CJ Cajoles, off. Pero in case lang, for those na first time ka nila na ma-meet ngayon, saan ka nila po pwedeng ma-found?
Nag-post talaga doon. Sa Facebook na lang po. Dan, yan yung mas
Active.
maraming followers and active talaga. So, CJ Cajoles lang sa Facebook. It's a personal account. And then you can, it's rabbit hole na doon.
Yes. Pero kapag sila, freelancers sila, they can also
Oh, yeah.
join the off,
Yes,
ba?
it's online Filipino freelancers naman po if you are an aspiring freelancer and if you want to start working from home. Online Filipino freelancers, it's a Facebook community. It's free for all, so you can just go ahead and join that.
Oh, sobrang daming values po. So, kung freelancer ka, starting, or you're already doing it, and you wanna have your own community where
Yes.
you feel that, eto na, this is my gang, this is my tribe. Punta na po kayo sa off. Ayan.
Yeah, you know the importance of community. Especially if you are just starting with your freelancing.
Right.
Iba yung meron kang kasama or meron kang matanungan for tips.
Tama.
If you encounter any problems sa first client, how to get your first client
Correct.
off community
Right.
is a
We
place
are
to
about
be.
400,000 na.
Oh, 400,000 na pala.
400,000 members na siya. Roughly, mga 5,000 na lang. 400,000.
Congratulations.
It's our organic.
Before matapos ang taon na to, 500,000
Malamang
na
yan,
yan,
ma-reach
sis.
na natin.
Amen,
Yes.
amen. Done deal, done deal.
Done deal.
And of course, Jevely, yung pinaka-importante sponsor natin for this Islam Book Millionaire.
Of course, the major sponsor.
Yes, Lorus Trainings
By
by Lorus
Lorus
Enterprises
Enterprises, Inc.
Incorporated.
Yes.
Ayan po. Hello to our team in Lorus Trainings. Yan, maraming salamat. Lorus Enterprises.
And you can follow us sa Facebook, Lawrence
Yes.
Enterprises. Yun lang ba yun? Lawrence Enterprises, let's look for that. All our trainings, lahat ng nakaschedule na events for 2025, we'll post it there.
Yes. But we're changing it to Lorus Trainings already. So, pag hanapin,
okay,
niyo po,
tama.
hanapin po ninyo sa Facebook, it's gonna be Lorus Trainings. And, of course, Lorus is into self-growth, self-mastery, of course, financial success. And for the past 20 years po, we've already helped more than 30,000 people achieve greater financial success. So, kung ikaw po yun na naghahanap ka ng mas marami pang financial success sa buhay mo, join ka na po sa mga events ni Loros Enterprises.
We are Loros Trainings. We transform lives.
Thank you so much for watching!
If you enjoyed this episode, share this to your social media accounts and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, share it with us at Slambog Millionaire PH.
Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified for our next episode.
If you know a millionaire or maybe you are the millionaire, let us know.
We'd love to have you on the show, definitely. We'd love to hear your story as well. And of course, don't forget, follow us as well at Joanna Marie Lazaro
And Jeff Aurelio.
See you in the next episode, Millionaire!